Please like and subscribe for more tutorial for beginners. New videos every day.
So before we go and check out our store, I would suggest that you go to settings and check out all the other information over here. Fill in the general part. General part is where basically all of your store addresses are, right? Like the store details, the address for the business. I suggest that you fill it up, the time format, the currency, and just to make sure if you get any order, so whatever the default currency was selected, it would remain exactly the same, would not change. I am going to change it to USD, right, just for teaching purposes. Let's click on save, and I would leave all the other things as it is, right? And you can see the information is missing over here, so it's make sure that you input the right information over here, right? After that, you can click on payment providers. You can from here activate your payment methods. So right now, just to make things really easy, I can click on choose alternate method. I can select any of these options. I can go back. I can enable PayPal. Just make sure you have PayPal for business. Or I can also choose from third-party providers, right? Like to checkout, AirPay, and all of these. Let's go back. Pay cash on delivery. So basically, if you are from a first world country in United States, Canada, USA, UK, if you're from these places, so you won't see this option cash on delivery. But since I live in Asia and Pakistan specifically, so we have this option where the person pays for the cash when the order arrives at his doorstep. So this is exactly how things go. So set this to automatic and save. Now again, for you guys need to enter your payment method over here so that you could receive payments, right? There are hundreds of videos on the internet. You can just go after and look at them if you have any confusions, right? So I would then go to checkout option, right? Customer accounts are optional, right? Customer can only, they could check out using their email address, phone number. I would like to prefer to keeping this option, so everything remains the same. And the person is required to enter their first and last name. Company name is hidden, optional. Shipping address same. Use the billing shipping address as default. Enable autocomplete. Just let all those things remain like this, and you can see that you can automatically send abandoned cart emails as well, right? So I'm gonna set it to 1 hour. I'm just going to click on save. Let's go back to settings again, and later on you can fill in your shipping information if you have any specific information, or you can create a specific profile. Like I prefer giving free shipping in all cases, so I think I would prefer keeping in the same way, right? Let's go back. Now finally, let's click on this option to see how our store is looking right now. Alright, awesome. So you can see automatically this looks better than what we had previously, and there are so many things that you could do with this theme.